Hey, this is Sherry, and I just put together this little quick slide to show you the results of my initial road test with the fuel tabs. And what you can see here is just a couple of screenshots from my spreadsheet, where in my 2009 Dodge Durango, I'm starting out with about 13.5 miles per gallon without the fuel tabs. And so then I filled up and I added, my first time around, I only added one pill. I have a 28-gallon tank, so I should have really added 1.5. So I got just a little bit of increase up to 14.30 miles per gallon. And then this time when I filled up, I made sure that I added the appropriate amount of pills, which would be 1.5 for my 28-gallon tank. And I drove half a tank down, and now I'm at 15.29 miles per gallon, and I expect that it'll continue to go up. What happens is these fuel tabs help to break down the carbon deposits that kind of gunk up your engine, and as you kind of burn away that carbon, your engine begins to perform better, and you get more miles per gallon. So I'll be following up with some future results. I just wanted to get these preliminary results out there. The bottom line is that if you make a few assumptions, for example, that I fill up my tank once a week and I calculate the savings over a 4-week period, even if I consider the cost of the tabs, I am putting back $35.84 in my pocket after I pay for the tabs. So there's a couple of benefits to that. Number one, yeah, it's money in my pocket. You know, I could pay a water bill for that amount of money. I could go out to a nice dinner for that amount of money. Certainly give it to my kids. They always have their hand out. But anyway, you know, if I were to hand you $35 cash, 20, a 10, and a 5, and said, here, go have fun with it, I guarantee you that you would probably take it. So consider this, especially as gas prices continue to rise. This will become more and more valuable to you. The other part of this is, even if I didn't save money on gas, these fuel tabs actually really are good for your engine. They really help, like I said, burn up some of those extra carbon deposits. And our engines, you can just tell they're just more responsive, more peppier. We would use them regardless of the fuel prices because they are just good for your engine. So I want to get these preliminary results out there real quick, and I'll be doing another video in the near future as I collect more data. I also have 3 other cars, my husband's truck, my son's car, and my daughter's car, and they are collecting data as well for me. So as soon as I have some results to share for that, I'll get that out. So bye for now. This is Sherry Kirkland. I got my pills at carsonthepill.com, and you could order yours there as well.